Hi, hello, my dear students. Welcome to my video lecture class. Right, up to now I discuss example problems based upon these equations of motion. Now I would like to discuss few examples. These examples are solved based upon these four equations of motion only, but here we apply combined equation. For example, first equation, second equation, both are apply only, we got answer. Otherwise, second equation, third equation apply only, we got answer. Otherwise, first equation, fourth equation apply only, we got answer. That means like this, when we apply this, whenever we apply these two or three equations, then only we got answer. How they are asking problems based upon that. Before lectures, I discuss only we are using only one equation for solving one particular question. But here in this problem, we are using two equations for getting answer. So how problems are given, how we need to solve these questions, I'll explain. So observe carefully. So question is asking like this. For example, this is example number. I hope this is example number 5. So how they're asking? If a body starts with velocity 40 meter per second, body starts with velocity 40 meter per second, and body starts with velocity 40 meter per second. In time 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, body attains after 5 seconds, body attains velocity some 50 meter per second. Initial velocity is 40 meter per second. After 5 seconds it travels on the road. After 5 seconds it attains velocity is 50 meter per second. Then find distance traveled by body. Then find distance traveled by body. Observe friends here, what is given question here. If a body starts with velocity 40 meter per second, in time 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, body attains velocity 50 meter per second. Then find distance traveled by a body. That is the question. So what is given data here? What is given data? Initial velocity. Body starts with velocity means what, ma? Initial velocity. Initial velocity is indicated by u. U is equal to 40 meter per second. In time, how much time here? What is time is given here? Time is here 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, body attains velocity. After 5 seconds, body attains velocity means final velocity. That final velocity is 50 meter per second. Then find distance traveled by a body. So find distance traveled by body. S value we need to find. So what are four equations of motion we had? V is equal to u plus at. S is equal to ut plus half at square. V square minus u square is equal to 2as. Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. So these are the 4 equations of motion we had. So u is given, t is given, v is given. Then how to find s? How to find s here? Simple thing here. S value is where here? S is here. Distance formula. By applying this formula only we got s value here. So s is equal to ut plus half at square. S is equal to ut plus half at square. That means here for finding s we want u value, t value. U value already given, t value already given. But we want what here? Acceleration value also. Observe carefully. What we need to find in the question? S value we need to find. So observe here, what is, where is s here? S is here. So for finding s here, u value we want, t value we want, a value we want. Ut already given. So we find a means, then definitely we got here s value. How to find a value? How to find a value? So for finding a value, here first observe first equation. V is equal to u plus at na. Here v value is given, u value is given, t value is given. Then a is easy to find or not? V is equal to u plus at ma. V value is given, u value is given, t value is given. From this you find a value. You got a value, substitute in this equation. A value substitute in this equation, you got s value here. I hope you understood this. Before lectures, we discuss for solving problem we are using only one equation. But here for solving problem we are using two equations. We are using two equations only, we are easy to solve this question. So that means here v is equal to u plus at. That means from this we find a value. That a value substitute here, we got here s value. That means, so first find a value. How to find a here? So from equation 1, v is equal to u plus at. V value is given 50 is equal to u value is 40. A value we don't know. T value is given 5. So from this 50 minus 40 is equal to 5a. 5a is equal to 50 minus 40, 10. Then a is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2 meter per second square. So a value we got here, acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. So acceleration value we got here. So what we need to find by here? Distance value we need to find. So what is formula for distance? Distance s is equal to ut plus half at square. Distance s is equal to ut plus half at square here. So u value is 40 into t value is 5 here, 5 plus half into acceleration already you know, acceleration value is 2 plus t value is 5 square. So then we got here 40 into 5, 200 plus 2 going to be cancelled here. 5 square means 25 here. So 5 square means 25. 200 plus 25, 225 meters. So 225 meters. So here how we solve this question? We are using two equation. So v is equal to u plus at and s is equal to ut plus half at square. By using these two equation we are solving these questions. Like these questions are also asking in NEET and JEE mains questions. So please be focused whenever like these questions are asking. First of all, what we need to find, that is important. S value we need to find. Write these four equations here. How to find s value? For finding s value we want u value, t value, a value. Ut already given. Then how to find a? For finding a we apply first equation here, because here v, u, t already you know. Then we find acceleration from the first equation. Then substitute that acceleration value in second equation. We got a total distance traveled by a body. I hope you all are understood this lecture. Thank you.